Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to BC and equal to 4. CM is the median and equals to 3. We need to solve for AC. We can use the Apollonius theorem to solve this problem. For triangle ABC with M being the midpoint of AB, the following equation hold. AC squared plus BC squared is equal to 2 times the sum of CM squared and AB over 2 squared. Let's sub in the values. AC is equal to square root of 10. Now let's prove the Apollonius' theorem. Let's draw the altitude from the point C to the side AB. Triangle ACH is a right triangle. By the Pythagorean theorem, AC squared is equal to AH squared plus CH squared. Triangle BCH is a right triangle. BC squared is equal to BH squared plus CH squared. Also, triangle CMH is a right triangle. CH squared is equal to CM squared minus HM squared. Let's combine these two expressions. CH squared is equal to CM squared minus HM squared. Let's expand. Now we can break 2HM squared and expand the differences of squares. AH plus HM is equal to AM, and BH minus HM is equal to BM, and they're both equal to AB over 2. Now we can factor AB over 2, and since the expression in the brackets is equal to AB, we are left with our formula. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.